Hey guys, this is New On 2. I decided I wanted to make a YouTube channel. Tried it before in the past. I just wasn't feeling it. I was collecting sneakers, doing clothes, and I grew out of that. Got a new hobby now. So I moved on to motorcycles. A motorcycle. Took the Harley Davidson route. Got me a Nitro Special 2024. So far, I've heard some things, people aren't so friendly in the Harley community, but what I can say is ride what you want to ride. I like the bike. Doing a lot of research. I wanted to get a few things for the bike. Start with this. We got some other things to order, but wait for those to come. Possible future videos. This is a Sissy bike. I've seen this on Amazon. I didn't see too many reviews, so I was a little hesitant to buy it. Looked at the seller. I just went for it, after I've seen good positive reviews. So let me go ahead and purchase it and go from there. So thought I'd do an unboxing today. Possibly an install. If it is, you'll see it. Let's open it up. Let's pray that what I ordered is in here. You never know. It was only like, I want to say 2 reviews, but the seller had positive stuff, so that's what made me just go for it. I didn't see this anywhere else to buy. I was trying to search for one that would give me the functionality that I wanted. The only one I've seen that would do something. You're gonna have to get a better unboxing tool. I got some knives, but I'm gonna get my own little personal, like I be seeing on YouTube with all the content creators. In the words of my guy Mike, these hands. Mike, I forget his name. I haven't watched his videos in a while. Sneaker guy from Atlanta. Okay, from the looks of it so far, it's what I ordered. I'll show you guys. Part that goes against your back, or straight up, or the passenger's back. Got some screws, Allen wrenches, more screws and washers. Yes, it is. I know this is going on the side of the motorcycle, more like this way. Alright, have the other side. And you have instructions. Looks pretty simple. The instructions are crap, but you can see that. Not too great, but pictures always help. And I kind of got an idea where it goes. But yeah, that's the unboxing. It's the, I don't even know what the name is. I just know it's a Sissy bar. And I like the way it kind of. You can have it straight up, which is shown in this picture. You can have it straight up for the passenger, or no passenger, you can lean forward, press it against your back. And on that bike, you kind of need a backrest. Now, I do have a new seat coming because I cannot stand the stock seat for that bike. I did adjust the, I had to do the adjustment to the, it's back in the box. To the having a spring part, the shocks. I had to adjust it. Once I adjusted it, the bike did ride a little better, a lot better. I ain't gonna say a lot better. But the seat, after so long to ride, it still makes my tailbone numb. Got like to stretch a little bit. So hopefully this will help so I can stretch. And once I get the new seat, should be coming in a few days. Get the new seat, install a video with that as well. That'll probably be a second video. We got a cup holder coming as well. And I just ordered the, I think it's an SNS tailpipe for the Nightster. That may not come for another week or two, who knows. But another video coming soon with that one as well. But I thought, guys, I'd take you on my journey of being a new rider. I just got my license, let's see, it was probably about a month or so ago. About a month. Got the bike right away. I kind of jumped right into it. I wish I would have did a little bit more research, but I was excited after I passed my test. I got the bike, never even rode in the street. Got the bike and just rode around in the little parking lot, the training parking lot for a while till I felt comfortable and rode home. And had to take it back to the dealer because the turning signal was mistaken. You'll turn left, it'll say right on the back. Once I got the bike back, I finally just started riding every day. And I took a ride with my boy. He's been riding for years. He taught me a few things that the class didn't teach me. YouTube actually taught me a lot that I didn't know that the class would not teach you. So if you take the class, what is it, MSRP? Whatever the name of the class is. Take the class, make sure you guys do your research on YouTube. And once you're about to get your bike, sit on a lot of bikes. Don't be intimidated by the bigger bikes. I would say, yeah, the smaller bike is easier to control. Made me feel a little more comfortable first time rider, but now that I got comfortable with my bike, I actually want a bigger one. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and pay this bike off and then I'm gonna get the touring bike later. But let's get to the install. Thought I'd do a little walk around of the bike. I did change the mirrors. Well, I didn't change them, but I relocated them. That was over there, facing up. I thought I'd try something new. But mostly everything's stock. As of right now, I did switch the license plate. I will probably be blanking that out. That's coming off, that's coming off. That's coming off when I get the windshield. Excited, can't wait to install a lot of this stuff. All right, fast forward. I didn't want to waste you guys' time showing this, but you're gonna have to get a 1/4 for those bolts in there. This a T40. Look at that. It was kind of hard getting out, but we got there. Both sides. Be right back once I get the other parts in it. No instructions. I just had to kind of wing it. But at first I put this other bolt on there. It wasn't fitting, but I basically took the chunky parts you see right there. Put that in. That, the bolt in, and then on the inside, I just kind of put that on there. On the other end, the bolt won't stick out far enough, but because of that black bracket, it kind of locks it in anyway, so I don't think I would need it over there. But they did give me some Loctite. I believe this is Loctite, so I put that on there. And yeah, now we're about to work on this side. No instructions at all. I just had to wing it. So, I'll be back. Probably. All right, this stupid thing doesn't come with instructions, but we'll trial and error. These two, assuming this goes in here. Well, it's not assuming, it actually does. I had to figure out where these tiny screws go. This little thing needs to focus. Or whatever. This is gonna go
side of that little hole, same side as that, opposite. Then once we do that, those don't go on there until we secure it on here. Finished product. So I was having problems with these bolts, or these right here. I had these two in here at first in the back, which was making it point out a little more, and I couldn't get the bolt for the inside to keep it tight. I had a brain fart and no instructions, and then I just realized I had these little ones in there.